Welcome back to SK Lifestyle, everybody. Hopefully you are enjoying your weekend. I am going to do a video right now because I've had a lot of questions about this right here. Yes. Oh, can you read it? Can ya? Yeah, the Magic Easy Fix. So obviously I have a jet ski. That's probably what a lot of you know my channel from. So I used it on my jet ski. Now, I will say, and let me just set the camera down right there. Hopefully that's all right. I will say I got a lot of questions on this about how well it works. Now I did do an update, and I think I did the update maybe a couple months or maybe 6 months after, but it's been some time now for sure. So if you want to check out the first video, because I don't think I got the raw footage, I'm not going to inlay it in this video, but you can check it out up above. I'll put the link to that and the update. But right now, we're just together gonna check out the ski, see how well this Magic Easy Fix has lasted over the past couple years. And I don't know, perhaps maybe I need to lay it in some more because it's gone. Maybe it got worse. You know, SK, I've only taken the ski out a couple times this year. I certainly haven't got underneath it, so we're gonna do this together. So I appreciate all the comments. Keep commenting on all the videos. Again, I'm doing this because of the comments that I received. So some of you out there are certainly gonna benefit, and others of you are gonna benefit from their questions. So that could be you. You could be asking the questions, and I could be doing a video because of those comments. So leave those down below, and with that said, let's get to it. I've seen a lot of comments and I read a lot of stuff about, you know, not wanting to use this below the water line. Well, my fix, my issue was on the absolute bottom of the ski. So there's no worse place to put it if it's supposed to be above the water line than right where all the water's hitting the bottom of the hull every time you accelerate. All right, moment of truth, people. I'm not sure quite what to expect. And I'll be honest, I haven't looked at it at all. I'm not even quite sure exactly what spot it is. You can see we got a lot of scratching up here because of you know, beaching her and so forth. Oh, okay, I see where it is now. I didn't want to just go running all over the ski. So this is where the Magic Easy Fix is. Hopefully that's picking up. I don't know if it is. Can you see that dot there? Let me come out a little. So I would say some of it is still there, but certainly not all of it. So I mean, that's 3 years though. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this stuff again and just fill it up there to fill that crack, because you can obviously, you know, you can see part of the fiberglass, that white piece there. So it is exposed again. I think I lucked out too. I don't know, but it's lasted okay. I mean, of course, like I just showed you, it is kind of exposed, but I mean, it's also been 3 years. And this stuff was what? I don't know, 15, 20 bucks to buy. It was much better than going to some shop or whatever and them trying to charge you, you know, $400 and keep your ski for 2 weeks or whatever. I mean, if it ends up being more serious, then sure, I'll take care of it that way. But I mean, you've seen it. I did the video, I put it up. The ski has lasted 3 more years, and that's all I got. So hopefully this stuff is still good. I'm gonna check the expiration date if there is one. You know, it's just been capped since then. But either I'll get to use it or have to use some more, buy some more. All right, so there it is. We have our results. We know what's up. Yes, SK has to use a little bit more of this now. But again, it's been 3 years. So hopefully this video was helpful to you all. If it was, leave those comments down below. Like, share the video. Let me know, are you guys using this stuff? Are you using something else? What kind of issues have you experienced with your ski? What kind of issues have you experienced after having tried to fix your ski? I'm very interested to see. So with that said, I'm gonna leave it right here. And again, leave those comments. You never know when I'm gonna make a video based off of what you're asking, what you're talking about. So SK will always get back to you. Don't forget that. And with that said, I appreciate you watching. Subscribe and hitting that subscribe button. See you all next time.